gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know
welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a braidless crochet hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it. The hair is from Amazon Miman hair and it's 8mm Carrie curl. The color is 1B30 and I got 5 packs and this is how the hair looks. I put my hair up in a ponytail. First, I'll separate each strand in two for most parts of the hair, and I forget to mention that each pack of hair has a total of 20 strands. I'll begin crocheting from the nape and I'll be doing the regular crochet method. You want to crochet the hair in the form of a mohawk, so when you're finished it is easy to trim and get that mohawk shape.
So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? Oh, I just wanna love you, treat you so right. Wanna show you how everyone do it right. We can take a flight, leave out tonight. Baby, just me and you living our best life.
I just wanna know what you feel about me. Go and pick you up, we can shoot a movie scene. Girl, what you really tryna do, babe? This time with you, I don't wanna lose it.
I know you hear this many times. You bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies. And I can lie, boy. You made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud nine.
Girl, you know that I would do anything for you. Pick you up, you know I can't leave you down, babe. Rolling up, I'm trying to get high like we out of space. Cause ain't no one in the way.
I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do?
You want to crochet the hair in a downward motion towards your face.
Call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you. Looking at me sideways, giving me all type of face. Gotta put you in your place, but don't pass your place. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl 'cause I want you, I want you.
Now we're very close to the bun, so we're going to crochet the hair very close and on top of the bun so we can cover this bun. We don't want, when we're finished crocheting, guys, we see this bun on top of our mohawk. We can't have that.
I love my big ego, and I can match your pettiness too. You build a bed, your girl living off what I bet.
Next, we're on to separating the curls, and these are the ones we didn't separate while installing the hair.
Acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. With you, I can give my heart a break. You take my breath away. You know the right words to say. You made me find love again. The way you put it on me feels so right. I need you, I can't lie. I want you right by my side till the end of time.
Being with you, it's like my heart skips a beat. And when you in front of me, I can't even speak. No, it's like I'm tripping on my words.
This is the coolest part, trimming the hair, and there's not a lot to trim from this hair because the hair is only 8 millimeters.
My life, you the type I like, 'cause
I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? Oh, I just wanna love you, treat you so right. Wanna show you how everyone do it right. We can take a flight, leave out tonight. Baby, just me and you living our best life.
I just wanna know what you feel about me. Go and pick you up, we can shoot a movie scene. Girl, what you really tryna do, babe? This time with you.
What do you all think of this hairstyle? It is a simple, quick, and easy hairstyle. The hair is nice to work with. There's nothing bad I gotta say about this hair. So I'll leave the link in the description down below so you can go and check Miman from Amazon out and check the hair out. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave your girl a thumbs up, subscribe, share. Until next time, bye!
I'm on cloud nine.
Girl, you know that I would do anything for you. Pick you up, you know I can't leave you down, babe. Rolling up, I'm tryna get high like we out of space. 'Cause ain't no one in the way.
I
What we
get
got, girl, is
high
great.
off you. So what we gonna